Modern photovoltaic systems require more powerful cables that are highly durable and resistant to extreme environmental conditions. Cables are one of the key components of the solar plant that are required to not only interconnect the solar panels and other electrical components, but also transfer the generated energy. The PVENER V1 series cable manufactured by SOWELL-SOLAR is a single-core tinned aluminium alloy DC cable designed for connecting photovoltaic power supply systems with a nominal DC voltage of 1,500 volts. This type of photovoltaic cable can be used both in areas with high and low temperatures and is an environment with long-lasting sunshine periods. Connecting the copper and aluminium conductors in a PV system can lead to electrochemical corrosion in the presence of moist air, which increases contact resistance at the connecting junction and further heats the joints, causing fires and damage to cables and other equipment. The self-developed tinned alloy conductor used in our product solves the copper-aluminium transition problem, ensuring the safe operation of the PV system. The main difference between this product and traditional aluminium alloy PV cable is that there is no need to replace the special copper-aluminium transition connector. Similar to the H1Z2Z2K or PV1F, PVENER V1 can be used under any conditions. Thanks to the insulation material made of polyolefins cross-linked by electron radiation, our product is not only flame retardant and halogen free, but also resistant to ozone and ultraviolet radiation. The insulation also acts as a mechanical barrier to offer enhanced protection against corrosive chemicals and burrowing animals present in the ground. A high performance at a temperature of 125 degrees Celsius, low smoke, halogen-free, flame retardant, radiation cross-linked polyolefin insulating and sheathing materials all further guarantee an increased service life of